Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Now, as you know, we are doing the sixth chapter and it is a poem. And we have already learnt the poem in the previous video, that is Sour Grapes. I have already explained you the poem and you already know the poem, right? Now, what we are going to do today is that we are going to discuss the checkpoint section and the I understand section. Okay? So, let's discuss the answers. Okay students, we are doing the sixth poem and this is the second part. That means this is the second video of this poem. Now let's discuss the answers. Okay students, before discussing the answers, just we will read the poem once. We had done it yesterday, I had explained to you yesterday, but we will read the poem once so that you know how to recite a poem. Okay. A fox was trotting one day and just above his head he saw a vine with lovely grapes, rich, ripe and purple red. Eager, he tried to snatch the fruit, but oh, it was too high. Poor Reynard had to give it up, and heaving a deep sigh, he curled his nose and said, "Dear me, I would not waste an hour upon such mean and common fruit. I am sure those grapes are sour." This thus often wish through life, when seeking wealth and power, and when we fail, say, like the fox, we are sure the grapes are sour. And the name of the poet is Sandaru Shavindya. Okay, so this was a poem. These are the words of the word body section. We have already done it. Okay. Now, first of all, we will be discussing the checkpoint section. Please listen carefully, okay, students, because you have to write it in your notebook. Fine. So, I will be discussing first checkpoint section and then I understand section. So, the first one is, what did the fox see? This is very easy. The fox saw a vine above his head full of rich, ripe grapes of purple red color. Okay, again I am repeating. The fox saw a vine above his head full of rich, ripe grapes of purple and red color. Okay, now the second question is, was the fox able to eat the grapes? No, the fox could not eat the grapes. Okay, so the answer is no. The fox could not eat the grapes. Okay, students. Very easy answers because this is a poem. Third question is, why could he not have the grapes? So the answer is, the fox could not have the grapes because the vine was too high. Again, I am repeating. The fox could not have the grapes because the vine was too high. Vine means, you know, no? The plant on which the grape grows is called a vine. Okay. And the last question is, what did he say to himself? So the answer is, the fox said to himself that he should not waste time after such a mean and common fruit. And he was sure that they would taste sour. Okay. Again, I am repeating. The fox said to himself that he should not waste time after such a mean and common fruit, and he was sure that they would taste sour. Okay. So these were the answers of the checkpoint section. Now we will do the next page, that is the I understand section over here. Fine. Now the I understand section is also very simple because there are only two exercises. One is fill in the blanks and one is question answers. Okay. The first one. The grapes were dash, dash and dash. It's very easy. The grapes were rich, ripe and purple red. Okay. The grapes were rich, ripe and purple red. Number 2. He could not snatch the grapes because they were too dash. So the answer is high, because they were too high. Okay, number 3. The fox did not want to dash an R. So the answer is waste. The fox did not want to waste an hour. Waste an hour means he did not wanted to waste more time. His time, okay. Waste an hour means he did not wanted to waste more time, okay. Number 4. The fox said that the grapes were dash and dash fruit. So the answer is they were mean. The grapes were mean and common fruit. The answer is the grapes were mean and common fruit, okay. And number 5. The fox dashed his nose and took a deep dash. So the answer is the fox curled his nose and took a deep sigh. Sigh means, when you are sad, you sigh. Sigh means you make the sound or you say something very sadly. That is called sigh. Okay, S-I-G-H. The fox curled his nose and took a deep sigh. Okay. Number 6. Humans seek dash and dash. What do humans seek? Seek means what do humans want? Yes, the answer is wealth and power. All the humans, they want wealth and power. So the humans seek wealth and power. Okay. And the last one is, we say like the fox. We are sure the grapes are dash. So what is the answer? Yes, it is sour. We say like the fox. We are sure the grapes are sour. The answer is sour. Suppose if we don't get anything, then we say that the thing is not good or the thing is bad, that the thing is not worthy of achieving. Okay, when you don't achieve anything, you say. So like the fox, we also say in our life that the grapes are sour. Okay, fine. So these were the fill in the blanks, exercise of the fill in the blanks. Now the next is answer these questions. That means this is the question answers. Okay, now number 1 is, where did the fox find the grapes? So the answer is, the fox found the grapes in a vine above his head while trotting. See, over here there is find. In the question, find is given. So whenever you write the answer, you must write past tense. You must write the past tense, okay. You must write the simple past tense. Never write the present tense. Find is a simple present tense, okay. So whenever you write the answer, the verb, whatever verb is there, it should become past tense. Any answer you write, okay. So the question is, where did the fox find the grapes? So the answer is, the fox found the grapes in a vine above his head while trotting. Okay, he found it while trotting. Understood? Again I am repeating. The fox found the grapes in a vine above his head while trotting. Understood? Second question. What did he try to do when he saw them? So the answer is, the fox, see now here it is try, T-R-Y, try, it is simple present tense. So you must write simple past tense. So you have to write T-R-I-E-D, tried. You must write tried in the answer, okay. T-R-I-E-D. You must always be careful while writing the answers. You must always use the past tense of the action of the verb, okay. So the answer is, the fox tried to snatch the grapes when he saw them. Very easy. Again I am repeating. The fox tried to snatch the grapes when he saw them. Understood? Now the third one. Describe the grapes. Now you have to describe the grapes, how they were. So the answer is, the grapes were rich, ripe, purple, red in color and were hanging from a high vine. Again I am repeating. The grapes were rich, ripe, purple, red in color and were hanging from a high vine. Very easy. And whenever writing rich, ripe, purple, red, you must put a comma in between, okay students. Now the fourth question, who was poor Reynard? Now in the poem the word is used Reynard. So who was poor Reynard? So the answer is, Reynard is a fox in old European stories who often behave badly but always escapes punishment with his cleverness. Okay. So here it is given. See, in the word body section also it is given. So you can write it from here only. In the word body section, the meaning of Reynard is given. I will just show you. See here. So here same you can write. So you can write it. I am again saying the answer. Reynard is a fox in old European stories who often behaves badly but always escapes punishment with his cleverness. You can write this whole thing in your answer. And then you must write, the fox in this fable is referred to as Renard. The fox in this fable is referred to as poor Renard. Okay, first you must write the meaning from the word body section. Okay, first you must write the meaning from the word body section. First you must write, Renard is a fox in all European stories who often behaves badly but always escapes punishment with his cleverness. After you write this, then the last sentence you must write is, the fox in this fable is referred to as poor Renard. Okay, so this is your fourth answer. Number 5. What did the fox say when he could not reach the grapes? So the answer is, when the fox could not reach the grapes, he said to himself that he should not waste an hour after the mean and common fruit, and he was sure that they would taste sour. Again I am repeating. When the fox could not reach the grapes, he said to himself that he should not waste an hour after the mean and common fruit, and he was sure that they were sour. Okay, so this is your fifth answer. Sixth one, the last one is, what according to the poet do we say when we cannot reach something? So in the last the poet has given, when we cannot get something we want, then what do we say? So the answer is, according to the poet, when we cannot reach something, we say that the grapes are sour. Again I am repeating. According to the poet, when we cannot reach something, we say that the grapes are sour. Okay, when we cannot reach something, what do we say? We say the grapes are sour, means we say that the thing is not good. Okay, that I don't like the thing. Understood? So today students, we have discussed checkpoint section and the I understand section. Okay students, so now I hope that you have understood the checkpoint section and the I understand section. What you have to do is that I have already discussed with you. Now you must write it neatly in your English notebook. Okay, and in the next video we will be I will just give you a short recap of the poem. Again I will just give you a short recap, and then we will see the animation of the poem. Okay students, so this was my video for today. Thank you for watching it and have a nice day.